everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Harini. I hope you're doing great. I'm going to be honest today, I definitely miss my office. I miss the camaraderie, the entire office vibe and productivity. Not to say I'm not being productive at home, but it is an office thing, right? We definitely are missing it now. But due to the new normal, I, like many of you, have been working from home and I have set up myself a office space or a work desk at home, and I'm lucky enough to have a separate room for that. I'm going to be sharing how I organize my workspace to be more productive through the day. This is the aftermath of a very busy day, and in the morning before I start work, I definitely organize, clean and keep it clutter free. The first thing I do is to take everything off. I have a couple of planners here for various things. I have a speaker where I like to listen to music when I'm having to work repetitive things, and I am also using two laptops. Both are Dell for personal as well as my office laptop. I have two mouses which I have to maintain, and sometimes I get confused which mouse belongs to which laptop, but hey, I like being super productive and super busy. If you're one of those people who likes to be busy, comment below and let me know. And the first thing you want to do when you're decluttering is to first of all clean that space, take all the clutter off the table and definitely give it a good wipe down. And I'm putting all of this into one space. Before putting it back, I'll definitely have a inventory check whether I actually need all of it back on my table. I have a couple of plants on my table, and that pink elephant you see is actually a tea strainer. It's pretty cute. Next thing I do is clean the table down. First of all, for the dust, I do it dry and then with Colin. Now I'm putting the succulents back on the table, wiping it down as well, and they've been doing great. I keep them close to me. I like seeing a little bit of green, although I have a huge window in front of me which floods me with light the entire day. Next thing I have is a generic analog clock. I like that look of this clock, a Victorian look. Next is organizing the pen stand. I have a couple, so I keep switching them up. This laptop stand has been a time saver because it keeps me more alert. To be very honest, I have spondylitis and I cannot work on a laptop if it's not on a stand. Next, I put my iPad, which is like a dinosaur but still effective. This is my office laptop and I'm giving it a wipe down with Colin and keeping it open so that it can dry. Next thing is I'm putting away all the electronics. I have a small pouch where I put all the wires. That is a Garmin watch you see. I have so many chargers and I don't like them staying all over the place. I put it in a pouch and neatly organized in the drawer. Next thing I do is always keep a coaster because I do drink a lot of tea or coffee. So I don't like water stains or tea stains on my table since it's white. And next thing is I'm organizing the planners and putting my little elephant back in its place. So this is the final organized desk that I have. It is not too techy, but it definitely is functional and minimal. I like the gigantic windows which flood my space with a lot of light. So that was my desk for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.